Prior to Teamwork, we were managing a big team of freelancers using mostly Google Docs and Gmail, and it wasn't very efficient. It was just very, very disorganized. Content production was kind of a bottleneck for our marketing team. So we knew we needed a better project management tool. We tried out Teamwork and it seemed really good, and we started using it. Once we switched over to Teamwork, we were able to produce content at a much higher rate. And it also gave us a clear oversight on how much time freelancers were spending. We were using the time tracking tool as well. When we moved away from freelancers and brought more people in-house, we were able to get a clearer picture of how much time certain tasks would take. On the marketing side, we've been able to create a lot more content. Our marketing department and operations have become a lot more efficient. Since we adopted Teamwork, we've seen a huge decrease in our CPA, or cost per acquisition. And we've also at the same time opened up a lot more new business accounts. So it's helped us decrease costs, and it's also helped us increase new business. And we saw such good success with the marketing department that our COO actually decided to implement Teamwork for the IT department. And they've been able to ship tons of new projects since then, and make a lot of upgrades to our infrastructure and our product. It's a lot easier to stay managed on different tasks and different projects. I'm able to see what my marketing team is doing, and our IT director is also able to see the same. And the COO is able to have a bird's eye view of everything that's going on in those two departments or functions. I would definitely recommend Teamwork. It's been really seamless adopting Teamwork across the company, and it just has really simplified our processes and made us more efficient and effective.